Hi everybody, Cheryl here, and it's Solo Sunday and the day where I share a labor of love technique. And this is technique number 6. So I wanted to share with you ways in which you can meditate, because meditation does come in many forms. And I found out several years ago that my form of meditation is through my cooking. And repetition is part of meditation. So in classical meditation, you sit there and you think about your breath and constantly bringing it back to the breath. Well, mine is constantly bringing it back to what I'm doing, which is a constant, same motion over and over again with peeling my carrots. And meditation for me has always come in the form of cooking. It's my time where I'm quiet in my space and I'm just here, present, and I'm just continuously bringing my mind back to peeling my carrots. And you can find your form of meditation. Maybe it's walking meditation. Maybe it's swimming meditation. All it means is constantly bringing your focus back to the present, and you're not thinking about anything else. So try it. If you have some potatoes in your house or carrots, the worst thing that's going to happen is you're going to end up with a really great dinner or lunch. And the best thing is you're going to find that it's calm. And it's funny, I always found that I stood in a position and I called it my flamingo position until I started yoga and realized it's tree. And I'm standing here right now in that position. You can't see it, but with one foot firmly on the ground and the other one is pressed against my thigh. So here I am meditating on my Solo Sunday. But I am focused on you because it's about you today. So happy Solo Sunday, everybody. Try and find a place for you to just be here, be calm, be present with yourself. All right? See you next week. And if you want to learn more about this journey, check out my blog and Instagram, because there's going to be more about this labor of love and how I found my way of having my own special recipe to meditation. So have a great Solo Sunday, everybody. Bye.